A revolutionary second touchscreen called the ScreenPad Plus will grace the base of the new ASUS Zenbook Pro Duo, which is being shown for the first time at Computex 2019. You can drag and drop app windows onto the 14-inch screen, which is located forward of the keyboard. You can then resize them or enter split screen view with a few more taps. With all that space for palettes and toolboxes, the ScreenPad Plus could be a photographer's best friend. Another intriguing use for the ScreenPad Plus is jotting quick notes on its surface, which then get translated to text on the main screen. Or you could also control Spotify music playback while you're working. The ScreenPad Plus can also vertically extend the main display, helping you see more of long web pages as you scroll. The hinge does get in the way a little bit, but overall the experience is pretty seamless. The Ergo Lift base of the ZenBook Pro Duo tilts the base of the laptop toward you, so it's slightly easier to view the screen. Even with that tilt though, you'll be viewing the screen from an extreme angle, so it could get tiresome after a while. Tapping on the left edge of the screen pad brings up an Android-like menu, with quick access to your most used apps. The ZenBook Pro Duo's main screen is a 4K OLED display, with a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. The ScreenPad Plus itself also has a 4K width resolution, but it's shorter and isn't an OLED screen. The ZenBook Pro Duo is big and heavy, with a Core i9 processor and a GeForce RTX 2060 graphics card. ASUS also plans to bring a smaller version of the ScreenPad Plus to the thinner, lighter ZenBook Duo, which could be better for frequent travelers. Both laptops are scheduled to go on sale this year. Be sure to check out PCMag.com for full reviews as soon as they're available.